So here's the reveal. We have some of the items that I just did on my haul for last week's video. And I set up my little vignettes, and I think they turned out marvelous. Here we have the wooden box, the wooden rice, my Christmas plant that was in the windowsill. It looks really cute. Love it, love it, love it. And one of my candles that I had from a long time ago. Alrighty, so I brought back out my older riser, which is marble and wood. And I switched out my iridescent mugs, and I put the grateful, thankful, joyful, and blessed mugs in here. Alrighty, moving right along. I bought my spoon rest, marble and wood over here so that it can fit in nicely with that vignette. Then moving right around, I used the plant in the windowsill. That matches nicely with Crazy Like a Fox, but I'm not sure where I'm going to use her yet, or him, or him, her. Alrighty, I definitely need some under the counter light over here because this corner is super duper dark. Okay, so another one of my plants that I had for Christmas over here on my marble and gold stand, 2-tier stand. And then I have my beautiful little bowls that I got from Home Goods. They are super duper adorable with my ceramic and gold salt and pepper shaker that I have not used in a very long while, and my coasters. Then I have a smaller candle to the larger candle that's in the first vignette. That's the second, this is the third. Okay, so I use my spoon rest, the brass spoon rest that complements the champagne ice bucket and my I love them to life nutcrackers. And here's a salt and pepper shaker that I've never used, and that is in, what do you call silver when it kind of looks like brass and it's heavy metal? Not sure what to call that. But anyway, and here's my last vignette over here. A set of marble coasters that's in a brass holder. And then I have a couple Christmas trees. So this is pretty much it. This is pretty much it. For my countertop, this is pretty much it for my countertop kitchen styling. And over here, I'm still not sure what I want to use on my center island, so I put back my 3-tier brass stand. Okay, so there you have it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you. You know I love you guys. for always supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my old subscribers, new subscribers, and yet to be subscribers. And for anyone who has not had a chance to hit that subscribe button, please take a second and hit it today. Yes, go ahead. You can do it right now. Well, I am going to say good night. It's getting pretty late. It seems that's the only time I get around to making my decor videos is when it gets late. Oh dear God, so many distractions. But I got through it. I'm going to sign off. I love you guys and God loves you more. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful evening. You have been hanging out with Brenda Lee, that's me, with beautiful, curated designs.